Emotions are like handcuffs, keeping you restrained, or like anchors, weighing you down. But imagine this: what if you could unlock them? What if emotions were no longer restraints, but tools? Today, we explore how to remain unaffected by feelings. Stay until the end, because you are not weak for wanting control. Rule number 1: do not let love overwhelm you. Love is powerful. It connects us, gives meaning, gives warmth. But when love becomes excessive, one-sided, or uncontrolled, it begins to destroy clarity. It clouds judgment, exposes vulnerability, and when taken away, it can lead to emptiness or depression. Stoic philosophers warned about this. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." He wasn't rejecting love. He was warning against losing yourself in it.
Think back. A moment when someone else's actions dictated your happiness. Their choices decided your peace. Betrayal, loss, unfulfilled expectations. Painful, yes. But imagine loving deeply, without surrendering your balance. Love, like every emotion, comes and goes. Treasure it while it lasts, but never let it anchor you. Let it be a wind behind your journey, not the force that controls your direction. Your path must remain in your hands. Love without attachment protects your heart and strengthens your soul. This is the first step toward emotional balance.
Rule number 2: stop caring about everyone. Empathy is praised, understanding others, feeling what they feel. But excessive empathy drains the mind and exhausts the spirit. You start carrying problems that are not yours. Epictetus once said, "It's not events that disturb us, but our reaction to them." This applies to empathy. Imagine a sponge, absorbing water endlessly, never squeezed dry. Eventually, it becomes useless. The same happens to us when we absorb every emotion, every problem, every crisis. Our vision blurs, energy fades, and personal ambition disappears. This is not about becoming cold. It is about intentional empathy, knowing when to engage and when to step back. So when you do care, it is focused, sincere, and meaningful. Selective empathy preserves clarity and protects emotional strength. Rule number 3: distance yourself from negative people. The people around you shape your thoughts, your emotions, your future. One toxic presence can overshadow everything. Stoics understood this well. You cannot control others, but you can choose your circle. Diogenes once implied, "We listen more than we speak, so we can observe wisely." Ask yourself, who drains your energy? Who spreads doubt? Who belittles your goals? These influences must be limited or removed. This is not hatred, not revenge. It is self-respect. Letting go of toxic people means choosing peace. You are refining your emotional environment, so it supports who you are becoming. Rule number 4: keep your feelings and viewpoints to yourself. In a world obsessed with sharing, silence is strength. Not every emotion needs expression. Not every thought needs approval. Marcus Aurelius warned, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." Seeking validation gives others control. Think of moments you shared success or values only to face ridicule, doubt, or indifference. That external reaction shook your confidence. What if it never had the power to? Choosing silence is not weakness, it is control. Your inner world does not need permission to exist. This discipline builds unshakable confidence.
Rule number 5. Set limits and stop being always available. Your energy, your emotions, they are not free. Seneca said, "Time is the one thing truly ours, yet we give it away endlessly." Instant replies, constant access, unquestioned demands. No boundaries lead to exhaustion, resentment, and emotional collapse. Imagine leaving your home unlocked, anyone entering at will. Boundaries protect peace, saying no without guilt, being unavailable without explanation. This is not selfishness, it is survival. Boundaries preserve emotional capital.
Rule number 6. Make yourself a priority and be direct. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Like on a plane, secure your oxygen mask first. Strength begins with self-care. Being direct matters. Clear words, clear limits, no vague hints. Directness prevents confusion, reduces tension, builds honest relationships. Live aligned with your principles. Set boundaries. Stand firm without regret. Life is a challenge, but you are built to endure. Control your emotions before they control you. Ignite the strength within. Move forward, unshaken. Subscribe for more insights and take charge of your day.